Hi, and welcome back. If you missed last time's video when we talked about what we were going to be doing, I'll link that in the description below. So you might want to take a look at that. But as you can see, we're in our truck, and you might be able to see right back there, our little trailer is hooked up to it. So we are heading right now for the Port Aransas area. We have an RV park down there that we absolutely love, and we're going to go there and kind of do a little bit of a shakedown trip.
Yep.
So it's we've got it hooked up this morning. We've had a few little hiccups here and there, but we got it figured out, and we are onward and upward. So this is going to be a kind of a relaxing sort of week. We love the beach down here. We'll try and get some video, and we'll just see how does this work. Remember, we just put that new mattress on. We haven't slept on it yet, so that's going to be interesting to see how that feels. All right, well, we're glad you're along with us, so let's keep on going down the road. Finally arrived, and Derek's gone in to check us in. He's also going to get our truck a beach pass, because you're allowed to drive on the beach here with a pass, and we know we like to do that, so he's going to get that at the same time. And we do have a reservation, so we're going to get our, I think it's a pull through. We're going to go get parked and then get situated and probably head down to the beach. So okay, so truth be told, it's taken a little while to get this video out because I accidentally spilled about 3 or 4 drops of water on my computer, and I fried the motherboard. That was
a sad day.
It was a really sad day. It was a really sad day. It's currently in the computer hospital trying to get some files off, but we do know that it's pretty well dead. So I did have to get a new computer. I've been trying to get that all set up. So that's neither here nor there, other than the fact that that's why I'm late. So I did lose a few things, but I've been able to pretty much reconstruct that trip.
You might get them back.
I might get it back. They're working on it. They're working on it. But that's why this has taken so long. So, but we did want to finish up and let you know how we did on this trip to Port Aransas.
Yeah, so after we got to Port Aransas, after we drove there, we got the trailer all set up and everything, and then we headed to Virginia's on the bay. Now, Virginia's at the bay is like a fixture in Port Aransas. It was one of the places that actually survived when the hurricane hit directly on Port Aransas a few years back, and they're very community oriented, and they helped out providing meals for all the people that were
workers,
helping.
the reconstruction people that lived there. It was great.
Helping to take care of them.
It's a great community. We really like it. We really like it.
And we love Virginia's. We really recommend it.
So it's pretty much always about the first place we go. So
yeah.
Take a look. We are back at Virginia's, our favorite restaurant here in Port Aransas. And I really can't tell you exactly why we like this restaurant so much, except there's this. This is our view. And there's crazy birds that are out here, and gorgeous boats and more birds. I don't know. We just really like it. The vibe here is really good. There's a little bit of music, but it's not so loud that we can't hear ourselves think. And we like the food. So, you know, we're just chilling at Virginia's. We love it. We'll show you the food in a few minutes. So this is Derek's wedge salad. It's like, if it's as big as it looks. And then gumbo and rice. And then I just got a hamburger, but it's a really, really good hamburger, so, you know, there's that. But that's the biggest wedge salad I've ever seen. Yikes. Tucking in. Yep. Good morning. We spent the night for the first, well, not the first time, but the first time using our new mattress.
Yes.
And what is your
It's a
assessment?
really great mattress. Yeah.
It was
I
really
like it.
comfortable. Yeah, it was really comfortable.
It folds in 3 places, but I didn't feel any of the fold places.
Right, right. We didn't. Now tomorrow, we are going to do something we've talked about doing for years. We're going on the Red Dragon pirate ship tour. That's going to be a lot of fun, and we're looking forward to that. So, and we'll be sure and have you along with us. Came down here. This is Paradise Pier, and we came down here to watch the sunset. But look, we found guys. He's got a whole bunch of fish heads and stuff, and look at the pelicans. Oh my gosh, I don't get to see them very. Woo! Whoa, there, seriously. They're dope.
Feeding frenzy.
Wow. Holy smokes.
Free lunch. Free
Woo!
lunch. Oh, the seagulls are going.
Dang.
In this business too.
You guys get food? Are you happy?
So far.
Holy smokes. That's so awesome. I've never seen them this close. This is very cool. Hey, thank you so much. Well, wow. So he just had a whole bunch of fish heads and tails and stuff from something, I don't know. And check it out.
To see if we're gonna dump anything.
Yeah, we're not dumping nothing. We got nothing, okay?
On sort of a sad note, about a week after we got home, the pier that we were at, where the pelicans were, that was actually caught on fire and was destroyed. Mm-hmm. Now, Snoopies was not involved in that at all.
As far as we know, it's fine.
Yeah,
the
it was
restaurant's
fine.
But
That whole pier just got burned
gone.
up.
So that's really sad. I hope they're rebuilding it, and I hope that they continue to feed the pelicans, because that was pretty
Dang,
fun.
we hit the jackpot here. We're at a little restaurant called Snoopies, right on the channel here, and there's the sun, and we're gonna get the sunset in about an hour. So the young lady that works here was kind enough to just kind of kick that volume down a little bit for me, because we're really pretty much the only ones here. There's one other couple over there, and yeah, we just ordered dinner. It's kind of a very fish-oriented place, but they've got chicken, so I'm good with that. I'm not a huge fish fan, but once in a great while. So we're just gonna chill here until for about an hour, and that's about when sunset should be. So we're gonna be here. They also have dessert, so you know we'll do that too. And hey, it's gonna be fun. We were gonna cook in the RV tonight, but you know, when you can watch the sunset at Snoopy's, why would you cook, right? Oh, there we go. So we got on, and we are up in the front section, which is 14 years of age and over. We figure we're barely past that, so we can be up here on the front. Let's take a look at the back section. Such a fun view. The littles are over there, and all right, so we're gonna head over there in just a few minutes. Head out, out that way, I guess. We'll find out.
I think I got abs of steel. All right. Okay, now if you can do that, you're going to be one step closer to becoming a pirate. However, let me warn you, if I win the match, I'm going to take your necklaces.
Mr. T after this.
Oh, mate. 18 time, you know what I mean? All right, I'm going to go ahead and put on some stabbing music, Corvo. What do you want? Barry White, Marvin Gaye?
Look ahead, look astern, look the weather in the lee. Blow high, blow low, and so we sail we. I see a wreck to windward and a lofty ship to thee, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
What better way to remember your day on the high sea and all your training to become a pirate than a little token to take care of the flag?
And so sail we. Oh, are you a pirate or a man of war? He cried, a sailing down.
All right, well, that's going to wrap up this adventure to Port Aransas, Texas. We will leave you with this beautiful sunset, and we have lots more adventures coming up. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and ring the bell to get notified.
You bet. And until next time, restless friends, you take care.
Bye.